Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have the Petit Vour Creme de la Cruelty free box. I know I just did another Petit Vour last month, probably 4 weeks ago, so it seems like I just did it, but maybe I just edited it recently. I'm not 100% sure, but in my head I'm like, I feel like I just did this. But I'm excited to do another one because it is one of my favorite boxes. It is always 100% cruelty free. You get usually 4 items, kind of like Petit Four, play on words, like small. There are sometimes full-size items, but they're cruelty free. This is a pretty reasonably priced box, I would say. So it's $21 a month if you don't do it annually. I always do it annually, so I get $18 a month per box. And for me, it's worth it because I'm all about cruelty-free beauty, and the more brands I learn about, the more that I know and the more that I get and like try and love, the easier it gets to be, you know, really into cruelty-free beauty, because there's still a lot, unfortunately, that is not cruelty-free in the industry. It says, be bold, be kind on the box, which I love that as well. This is the March box. I always get it at the end of the month, so you're probably seeing this in April, not in March. But it looks like we have 4 items. Sometimes there's a bonus one in here. Anyways, I'm gonna start right on top. Very cute. Cleanse Gourmet Pure Wellness Lavender and Peppermint Shower Steamer. So shower steamers are nice because you can use them whether you're a bath person or a shower person. They just release essential oils that you breathe in, and especially in the winter I like eucalyptus ones because it clears out your airway. It's kind of just like the same as hanging eucalyptus though, but using essential oils may be a little bit easier to find and get. This says this is an $8 retail value and you get 2 of them. It's actually a pretty good deal. These things are usually not cheap, especially when they're like homemade, handmade type of thing. And Cleanse Gourmet says, sink into beautiful relaxation as French lavender and vanilla essential oils naturally soothe, calm, and relax your mind and body. Wet to activate, and place 1 or 2 steamers on a shelf in your shower, near your face for a strong diffusion, or on the shower floor for a lighter diffusion. I never knew that trick because I always just use multiple and put them at the bottom so that I get more. But now I can do 1 and put it closer to my face. I don't really have a shelf, but I could get one for that purpose. Can also be used in the tub as an effervescent soak. So see, if you're a bath person or a shower person, you can still use these. Unlike bath bombs, which honestly, I feel like they're kind of the same, but maybe these just have a little more essential oil in them. I don't know. The ingredients say Epsom salt, which is great for bath, right? Baking soda, citric acid, witch hazel, organic peppermint essential oil, French lavender essential oil, pink grapefruit essential oil, dried lavender sprigs, and it says cruelty-free small batch blended. Love, love, love that. I don't know if that's still on screen, kind of. And that's $8 retail value. Next we have a Be Kind lip balm, a water-free formula that creates a protective barrier against drying to bring long-term hydration to your lips. So protective barrier to me means it probably does have wax, and so I'm not gonna open it because I don't put wax on my lips, but actually I shouldn't say that until I read the entire list. So let's see if it is a Jessica Lip Safe product. Castor seed oil, vegetable oil, shea butter. I like everything so far. Apricot oil, looks like more of an oil. Cocoa seed butter. Honestly, yeah, I would use all, it's like a bunch of oils. Lemon, lime, grapefruit, ascorbic acid, so it has vitamin C, and tocopherol, vitamin E, soybean oil. It is safe for my lips. So I've never tried this before, but Leaping Bunny certified and lip approved for me in the scent lemon and lime. I already have stuff on my lips, but we're gonna see how. It's pretty thick too for not having, it's probably all that, the butters, like cocoa butter. But yeah, that, what am I doing here? I went way out of hand. Okay, well. You know, I don't really smell the lemon and lime. It still smells good, but it doesn't actually smell as citrusy as I expected. I guess most lip balms, because I get like peppermint, have a real strong peppermint scent. Doesn't matter, it is Jessica Lip approved, and that is so important to me because I could probably find a photo of what my lips looked like before, and they were dried and sad because I was a chapstickaholic. They are so happy now. I've never done anything other than change my lip products. Just started hydrating them. That's it. And that's a $13 retail value. Next, it looks like we have some full-size items because I have a highlighter, which is here. Maybe not. I don't know, but it does say this is $25 retail value from, oh, just kidding, $28 retail value for a highlighter. Bright Lights Cream Highlighter, a cream-based highlighter infused with skincare ingredients that enhances skin with soft focused illumination wherever you want. I like that. I like that a lot. Let's see. Not 75% organic and 95% natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. It says free of dimethicone, lead, mineral oil, nanoparticles, parabens, phthalates, propylene glycol. Wow, okay, there's a long list, but like free of a lot of things. Okay, and then Clean Beauty for colorful people. Let's see what it looks like. I guess the name might be, does it have what the like color's name is? I didn't expect it to come in a little pot. I thought it was gonna come Hollywood Babylon. I thought it was gonna come in, it has a little cute heart at the bottom too. This is interesting. Kind of like pink undertone. It's not, my ring light is kind of messing this up. It looks more yellow there than it actually is. Look on our nose. Oh yeah. That made a big difference. We're gonna just have a real shine. I thought like, oh, it'll be a little subtle. It's pretty good. Yeah. It's like iridescent. You see my hand over here? You can see the lip balm too, but like if you look at back here, you see that iridescence right there? It's kind of sparkly and it's a little iridescent in those sparkles. So maybe better for eyes than, or under. You can put it underneath your foundation as well. So it like can tone it down a little bit, but you still get that glow. It's there for shimmer lovers. I'm one of those people, but I do feel like my nose looks quite oily now. Okay, Mad Hippie is the last item, and this is eye cream. $25, a blend of peptides, antioxidants, bioavailable vitamins formulated to nourish and hydrate the eye area while improving the appearance of fine lines. Massage and to clean the skin around the eyes. Maybe followed by a moisturizer if desired. Always follow by a moisturizer. What do you mean if desired? This says shea butter, has niacinamide, has a peptide blend, which includes sodium hyaluronate, glycerin, another peptide blend, 2 peptides blends. It has vitamin C in the form of sodium ascorbyl phosphate, a little less potent, also really good, less irritation if you have sensitive skin, but way better shelf stable. So less potent just means you have to use it longer, or maybe if you have like real dark areas, it's not gonna work as well as something that's like full force vitamin C. What else do I have here? Licorice, caffeine. We have to have caffeine. If it's under your eyes, I have to have caffeine in it. Squalane, a vegan form. Cockadoo plum, that's a roll full of antioxidants and hyaluronic acid. Vitamin E, chamomile, pomegranate seed, white tea, ceramides. This has it all. This is cool. I don't know if I've tried Mad Hippie before. It says 17 actives with peptides, niacinamide, and licorice. I can't put it on right now, so. I can't put it on just yet because I already have makeup on, but let's see. Ooh, that's a good consistency. That's real creamy, really smooth. Yeah, let's see how long this takes to absorb. The lighting is so bad. I adjusted my ring light, but I'm not liking it. But it's too late now. We've already done this entire video. And that's my box. Petit Vour, Petit Four. Typically it's 4, sometimes it's 5. Completely cruelty-free. We had multiple full-size items. We had, are they all full-size? I guess the steamers could maybe not be full-size, because they're only $8, but honestly, sometimes I think steamers come in just like a 2-pack like that. So, that's pretty good. I feel like usually it's half and half, like half samples, half full size. We got a full-size box, and I got that for $18. I made up my money easily in just one item if I like the eye cream or I like the highlighter, which I actually do like both. And then the lip balm is $13, so almost made my money there. The steamers, if that's the only item you like, then you wouldn't have really done so well. Let me know what your thoughts are. This is also a really pretty card. that's their March. I think all their cards are really pretty and I do actually keep them. So I don't necessarily like look at the items all the entire time, but sometimes I just have this up like on a mirror because I'm like, it's so pretty though. They do a really good job about that. Let me know what your thoughts are on my box. Comments help my channel so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!